Okay guys, this is MazagA, and now we're going to talk about iZotope RX7 advanced audio editor. So this is a program for editing sounds. You have here you can repair sounds, you have utilities, you can measure things. For example, in the repair module you have ambience match, deplete, declick, the clip, DS, the hum, and utility module you have EQ, EQ match, fade, gain, normalize. Okay, but the cool thing about this is a AI that it actually works in real time. Pretty neat. Okay, now we're going to talk about the music rebalance. So let's open a track. Oh, by the way, I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can purchase it if you want. Okay, let's open a track. You go to open file. This is one of my tracks. It's called Empathy. I'm going to leave it in the description if you want. Okay, if you press spacebar, it will play the song. Spacebar, you pause it. It's a bit but the cool things about this, if you go to right here, music rebalance, you have voice, bass, percussion, other. So here you can solo things like the voice track, bass track, percussion. So this is really cool. I always use the join channel. You can select ours if you want, but this is the best I found. So for example, this is the sliders. I mean, these are the slider for the volume, so you can make it like a mix. Okay, I want to hear only the bass. For example, I go to preview. Later, if you want to have the track, you go to render and it would only render the bass, the voice, wherever you pick. Okay, let's go to the bass preview. So this is a hardside track, so you only hear in the bass of the hardside kick. For example, if you go to other preview, the bass is leaking in a little bit, so you have to have a patient. You have to be a little patient because I know it's an AI, and it's not always the best, but it will not mess with the sounds like other programs. You can hear the sounds pretty neat. Okay, if you go to percussion, for example, view. So, very cool. Okay. Okay, guys, this was iZotope RX7 Advanced. So, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up if you like it. Bye.